Hi, we're back with Skills 1, Lesson 7. As always, we are going to start with counting on our fingers, 1 to 10. You can pause this and resume when you're ready, however many times you need to do that. Next, we are going to do the stand up and sit down for noises. You can pause and resume when you're ready because y'all know how to do this. This is something that is brand new. Excuse me. I'm going to say it first, and then the student, is going to echo me. Okay, so after I say the words, then you're going to say the words. The big cat. Okay, the small house. I love you. It is hot. We can play games. We are in class. The girls can clap. The desks are all clear. The books are all here. The room is so clean. If you would like to give that another try, you can back it up a little bit or just pause. Whenever you're ready, you can try it with your child. Resume when you're ready. Next, we have workbook pages. We are going to make diagonal lines, forwards and backwards. Make sure you're going from top to bottom on both of those. The workbook page should look like this. And then whenever they are done completing 7.1, you're going to do 7.2 with them. Remember to have them start on the star and move their finger each time you say the picture word. See y'all tomorrow.